In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly log into Proton Mail on Chrome and transfer your emails from another provider. We'll explore each step in detail to ensure you have a smooth experience. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you've got Chrome up and running, head over to the Proton Mail website. You can do this by simply typing the URL directly into the address bar and hitting enter. After the page loads, you'll notice a space where you can input your login credentials. Be sure to type in your Proton Mail username and password accurately. It's always a good idea to double check for any typos, as these small mistakes can be easy to overlook but might prevent you from logging in successfully. Once your credentials are entered correctly, go ahead and click on the login button. If all goes as planned, you should now find yourself comfortably inside your Proton Mail account, ready to proceed to the next steps. Now we're going to navigate to the settings area. For this, look for a gear icon, which is typically located at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon and it will lead you to the settings menu, where various options for managing your account are at your fingertips. From here, you will want to locate and select the option labeled Import Export. This feature is your gateway to bringing your emails over from another email service provider. Once you're in the import/export area, the next step is to choose the import emails option. By selecting this, you're setting up to transfer messages from your old email service to your new Proton Mail account. Next, you'll encounter a prompt asking you to choose your old email provider. This should be fairly straightforward, as you'll see a list of popular services like Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo. Simply click on the email provider that matches your old account. It's important to select the right email provider, as this ensures you follow the correct procedure tailored for that specific service. Now it's time to enter your existing email credentials to authorize the transfer. While this step might seem a bit daunting, rest assured it's a secure process designed to make the transition smooth for you. Carefully input your login details for your old email account to confirm your identity and authorize Proton Mail to access it. Following this, you'll receive a prompt or notification requesting your approval for the authorization process. Simply click to agree and you'll be set to move forward to the next stage. At this point, you'll have the option to select which specific emails or folders you wish to import. If you're keen on organizing your new inbox effectively, you might want to focus on certain folders, so take a moment to decide which emails are most important. These could be your most recent communications, or perhaps all your archived messages.